video, I decided I would show you guys some life hacks to help out with your morning routine. So we all know mornings can be pretty stressful and it's super hard to stay organized and efficient and just get everything done in the short amount of time that you usually have. So my hope is that these 10 life hacks will help you out with that. Also, this video is sponsored by Caboodles. Caboodles are seriously so helpful in helping you stay organized. So if you want to go check them out, I'll have a link to the website down below. Also, if you are not already subscribed, make sure to go ahead and do that. And without further ado, let's get started. Life hack number 1. If you have a habit of clicking snooze on your alarm clock just a little bit too many times, a good way to combat this and make sure you're getting up on time is to leave your phone across the room, and that way when your alarm goes off, you're forced to get out of bed to turn your alarm off, and at that point you're already out of bed, so might as well start getting ready. Life hack number 2. To make sure that you're getting ready in a timely fashion and also staying energized while getting ready, make a playlist to go along with your morning routine. I'd recommend making it the exact length you need to get ready in the morning, so that way when the song changes you know you need to move on in your morning routine, and when the last song in your playlist comes on, you know it's time to get all your stuff together and head downstairs. Life hack number 3. When it comes to your morning skincare routine, I found that it's always best to keep it as simple as possible. So if you have dry skin in particular, I'd recommend only washing your face with water in the morning. Overwashing your face can be one of the causes of acne, so try just washing your face with water for a bit and see if that helps out. And if you have oily skin, I'd recommend trying out baby shampoo in the morning. It's super gentle and it'll still keep all the natural oils in your face without overwashing it, but it will keep you feeling clean throughout the day. Of course, these methods won't work for everyone, but at least for me, I found that my acne is always caused by washing my face too much and getting rid of all those natural oils, so just using water or baby shampoo has helped me a lot. Life hack number 4. Make your makeup routine that much easier by keeping all your everyday products in a caboodle. Caboodles are a great way of organizing all your products in the morning. It keeps them super compact and all in one place, and it looks super cute. I have a ton of makeup, but I only use about 5 or 6 products every morning, so keeping all of my everyday things in just one space has made my makeup routine that much easier because I'm not spending so much time looking for the products I'm using. Getting ready in the morning can be a pretty messy and hectic experience, but it doesn't have to be that way, and organizing your stuff in caboodles can be a big help. So if you guys want to check out the website, I'll have a link down below. Life hack number 5. One of my go-to hairstyles when I don't have a lot of time and I'm maybe having a little bit of a bad hair day is to tie my hair up in a very high ponytail using a little elastic. For some reason, I've always found that using an elastic as opposed to a normal hair tie just makes the ponytail look a little bit better and like you put more effort into it. And after I've pulled that tight, I then take out a couple pieces of loose hair in the front. And after that, if I have time, I'll take a large curling iron and curl the ends of the ponytail like this. Life hack number 6. If you happen to get a little bit of a deodorant stain on your shirt while you're getting ready, instead of just completely changing, you can actually use makeup wipes to get that off. So all you have to do is rub over top of the stain with the wipe, and within a few seconds, it'll be totally gone. Life hack number 7. As soon as you get downstairs in the morning, go ahead and chug a water bottle. Doing this first thing in the morning will really help wake you up and also give you a head start on your hydration throughout the day. Life hack number 8. Try your best to avoid eating sugary foods in the morning, because although you'll probably feel super energized and full for about an hour, it'll wear off pretty soon and you'll feel really tired later in the morning. Life hack number 9. If you're getting towards the end of your cereal box, to get rid of all those extra crumbs that usually lie at the end of the bag, pour your cereal into a colander and shake it over the trash can to get rid of all the extra crumbs, and then go ahead and just pour it in your cereal bowl like normal and add your milk. And last but not least, life hack number 10. To keep your iced coffee from melting and getting all watery, put it in a thermos cup to keep it cold all morning. Just like it would normally keep your hot coffee hot, a thermos will also keep your iced coffee from melting and getting all watery too. The Yeti cups are my personal favorites, but really any kind of thermos cup will work. Hope you all enjoyed that video. If you are not already, make sure to subscribe to my channel down below. I post new videos every single Saturday. I also have Instagram and a Twitter, both at Ella_Elbells, so go ahead and follow me in all of those, and I will see you guys soon.